Are you struggling with pixelated images in your React Native app? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when displaying PNG images. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your images don't look as sharp as they should. It can feel like all your hard work is going to waste. You're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's take a closer look at the specific question from one of our viewers. They asked, "Why is my big PNG image pixelated in my React Native app, even though the dimensions match the actual image?" This is a great question and one that deserves some attention. So what could be causing this pixelation? It often comes down to how React Native handles image rendering, especially with different screen densities on Android devices. Let's break it down. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the pixelation issue, the user should first check the image source. Instead of using a URI string like ClearMoon, the user should ensure they are referencing the image correctly. This can be done by importing the image directly. Next, the user should verify the image resolution. Even though the image is 96 by 96 pixels, it may not be high resolution. The user should consider using a higher resolution image, especially for larger displays. Additionally, the user should check the device's pixel density. On Android, images can appear pixelated if the device has a high pixel density and the image resolution is low. The user can provide multiple resolutions of the image for different densities. Finally, the user should ensure that the styles applied to the image do not distort its appearance. They can experiment with different width and height values to see if that improves the clarity. Fun fact, did you know that the resolution of images can affect not just their appearance, but also the performance of your app? It's true, high-resolution images can slow down loading times. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to adjust the image style. They recommend adding Resize Mode Contain and Flex 1 to the image style object. This helps scale the image uniformly while maintaining its aspect ratio, ensuring that both dimensions of the image fit within the view. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your images on multiple devices to see how they render. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, your images should look sharp and clear in your React Native app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.